Hello, in this video I'll show you how to add arrows in Canva. Now it's an extremely easy process. So what you have to do is firstly open a Canva. Now this is when you go to a blank canvas. Now there are many ways how you can add an arrow. So the first option is just simply type L on your keyboard and that will bring you a line. Or you can also go to the element section right over here and then just simply go to the shapes option right over here. And you will find a lot of lines and you will also be able to see a lot of arrows as you can see. Now these are all shapes, so you won't be able to modify it as you can see right over here. The modification will be quite limited as you can see right over here. You can increase the size, you can add curvature in the arrows as you can see right over here. You can play around with the borders as you can see right over here. You can change the color of the arrow. You can make the border wider or smaller as you can see right over here. You can even decrease the size of the arrow like this. Or you can also do the exact things with some lines. So click on the lines. You can also use the L shortcut on a keyboard and then you will again have a lot of options. Like for example, in which point do you want the arrow head? For example, it is currently at the right hand side as you can see right over here. You can change the location, choose the arrowhead that you want. So you can deselect this one by just simply clicking on it, this option. And the arrowhead is not changed. You can increase the line width as well. So if you click on this option, you can increase or decrease the line width. Then increase the size of the arrow. As you can see, you can do it manually. You can add curvature again. So click on this option. And for the curvature, you have to go to this line type, add curved. And then you can also add some custom arrows as you can see right over here. You can play around with it. It's totally up to you. Now there is one more way how you can add an arrow. So for that, you have to go to the element section and just simply search for arrow. And now, once you will be in the arrow section, just simply click on the graphics option. Over here, you will find a lot of pre-built arrows that you can use. So just simply click on it and the arrows will be transferred on your canvas as you can see right over here. And there are many types of arrows that you can use. So, as you can see, they're all customizable as well. Like for example, if you want rounded corners, you will be able to get that. But the arrows that you create from the graphics section will have a very limited customization option. So just keep that in mind. Like for example, in most of the arrows, you can basically change only the colors and you can add borders and stuff. And as you can see in this arrow, you can't even add a proper border. So that's it. And if this video was helpful, please consider subscribing and liking.